Start times, Uganda Premier League match number 18 continues today, and also for days live coverage at the Royals Parking Kitara Football Club at 10 Entebbe UPPC Football Club in another game to count on the two sides in action this evening. Coming your way from western part of Uganda, will coming your way from round 17, and of course league business returns today. There after that's a few days when these two sides met into the Uganda Cup, and of course Kitara Football Club beat Entebbe UPPC by 2-0. While injecting Entebbe side out of the Uganda Cup, and today Kitara Football Club captain Kadi looks for Ahindugire again. Again looking for that nutmeg, well gets it, and Patrick Kadi delivers one at the moment from Gaddafi Wahab. Kitara Football Club lead again. In a space of only 7 days, it's their third goal against the Printers. And see what that goal means to the Kitara Football Club fans. He celebrates in front of the cameras. He celebrates in front of his fans. Because Wahab Gaddafi has now scored 4 goals in the start times Uganda Premier League. What a